This is a tutorial video for the use of research databases, namely Ebooks Academic, eBook Collection, OmniFile, ERIC, and GreenFile. All of these are hosted by EBSCO. Separate tutorial videos are already available for Sinal and Atla, which are also with EBSCO. Let us proceed. First step is to visit our virtual library. Click Resources, then choose either Ebooks Academic, eBook Collection, OmniFile, ERIC, or GreenFile. You will be redirected to the login interface of EBSCO. A librarian will provide you with the login details. Please ask this in our website's live chat. Now, click Login. You can now start searching the related research topics you need. A search box is readily available for you. Key in a topic or keywords. Then, press the search button or the enter key in your keyboard. From the results provided, it will indicate if the item is in full text. Choose one item to read. That was easy. Do you agree? For a detailed tutorial on other features of the EBSCO platform, please refer to the Sinal video tutorial in our video resources menu. Don't hesitate to contact me or other librarians. We will be more than willing to assist you.